Dry and try. Dry. Dry means lacking moisture or liquid. It can refer to something that is not wet or damp. Examples: after doing the laundry, hang the clothes outside to dry in the sun. The desert is very dry, with very little rainfall. Try. Try means to make an attempt or effort to do something. It is used when you are testing something out or giving something a shot. Examples: I will try my best to finish the project before the deadline. Can you try to solve this math problem for me? Differences. The key difference between dry and try is that dry refers to the absence of moisture, while try refers to making an attempt or effort. Dry is more concrete and physical in nature, while try is more abstract and related to actions or attempts. Dry is often used to describe the state of something, while try is used to describe actions or efforts made by someone. Both words can be used in various contexts, but they have distinct meanings and applications in different situations.